Hello everyone, here are the latest market news on May the 21st, 2019. Australia's central bank might cut rates next month. Governor of the Reserve Bank of Australia, Lowe, said on Tuesday the central bank will contemplate cutting interest rates in June. This step might help to ease financial conditions for bruised economic growth. Lowe also urged the country's newly re-elected government sets to slash income taxes and boost spending, as inflation and wages growth lagged the central bank's expectations. A cut would be the first in almost 3 years for the Central Bank of Australia, which last eased policy to a record low 1.50% in August 2016. Stocks in Europe increase, Asian equities mixed. European stocks climbed along with the U.S. futures following a mixed session in Asia on Tuesday as the trade war driven turbulence on the dominated markets this month. The dollar climbed while Treasuries were steady. Futures of the S&P 500, Dow Jones Industrial Average, and Nasdaq 100 indexes all traded with gains as the U.S. granted limited relief for consumers and companies using Huawei technologies. European shares rose with tech firms leading the advance. Chinese equities had the strongest gains in the Asian session, while their Japanese peers ended lower. A gain for Samsung Electronics Co. helped bolster Korean shares because it may benefit from Huawei's need to shift away from American suppliers. First quarter revenue of Xiaomi beats estimates. Chinese smartphone maker Xiaomi Corp reported better-than-expected quarterly revenue on Monday, due in part to steady growth in sales outside its home market. Xiaomi's revenue rose 27% in the quarter ended March from a year earlier to 43.8 billion yen, $6.3 billion, beating an average estimate of 42.109 billion yen in a survey of analysts polled by Refinitiv. Xiaomi gets most of its revenue by selling mobile headsets, but it also gains earnings from selling online ads and other types of consumer hardware. Company's net income for the first quarter rose to 2.1 billion yen versus 1.7 billion a year ago. May faces a showdown as MPs contend for her post. UK Prime Minister Theresa May faces Brexit showdown on Tuesday as she seeks their backing for one last push to her divorce deal with the European Union. May said she will put the withdrawal agreement bill to a vote in Parliament in the week of June the 3rd and is trying to find a way to get it passed. Formal talks with Labour failed on Friday, but May is seeking to win over enough of party's lawmakers to get her deal over the line. The failure of the talks and May's pledge to set a timetable for her departure increases the risk of a non-deal withdrawal from the European Union as Tory MPs jostle to succeed her. British pound dropped 0.3% against the dollar in early trading on Tuesday on all these developments.